I'm back with another video. It's Full Time Grind 79 back again. Y'all already know where I came from to get this package. Fight to get it though. Hold on. Make sure that damn address ain't showing up. Hold up. I edited that out. Anyway. Walk on to these, what the hell was that steel they had in the bit? What was it called? It's made out of that. So we gotta be gentle this time.
Vibranium.
Huh?
Vibranium.
Vibranium. Y'all didn't know that.
No.
If you haven't seen the movie yet, my daughter thought one of y'all might not know. Another, hold on, put the knife up. Knife cutting stuff. Put it up. Another Jordan brand box. It's Jordan 10. Wait, I'm sorry, not Jordan 10, size 10. God damn it. Size 10, that the colorway is white, red, cement gray. I'm pretty sure some of y'all sneakerheads out there know what this is. You know, you got the elephant print straight off of elephant's back. Jordan Air on the side there. Y'all seen this box, man. This lift up lid. All right, same deal. Had to get this print from. You know what I'm saying? Don't tell nobody. I do love animal. He's still living, but just without a little bit of skin. Okay. This right here. Let me check it out. This is my first time seeing it. Let me tell you a little backstory right quick. I did not order this for myself. I was trying to help a guy out from Japan because they didn't have it in their country. They didn't release these. So he really wanted them. I could have done with them or without them because there's so much stuff, man. You already know there's so much stuff already out there that that's the bottom with that red free throw line that Jordan jumped from. Everyone, hold up, got the got the damn. Why they made it so hard? I got orange on my finger too. 3:51. That's the time right there when he jumped from the free throw line. Oh yeah, hold up. Damn, they made this thing hard. Shit. Hopefully I can see that. I moved a couple times, but anyway. The best thing about these right here, like I said, is that red free throw line on the bottom of it and the translucent blue bottom. I will not wear these until I get some sole shields or something. I forgot what they call them. So I won't mess up the bottom because I want to keep them icy. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, like I said, I got these for my dude that I didn't even think I was going to win this draw. Man, I entered in the draw and shit, I won. I was like, okay. But I really didn't want it. They were for him. And then he tells me he won. So I was like, I think he hit for the same sneaker in Germany from another boutique, but I hit from Nike. And so now he's like, okay, well, you can sell them. So I'm like, nah, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to sell them because, you know what I'm saying? It's a Jordan, man. I like Jordans, and these things are clean. Look at it. I mean, I got the other pair, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't have to actually fight nobody for these, you know what I'm saying? Because I didn't. So, you know what I'm saying? I didn't really want them like that, but I want them now because look at that. Who wouldn't want this? You know what I'm saying? These things are, look at that tumbled leather on them. Gosh, oh shit, look at that. Hold on, look how tumbled that is. Can you see that? Look how soft that is. Oh man, I can't wait to put these on. So I'm definitely gonna put these on feet. These deserve nothing less than that. Hold up. Let me get the other one out. All right. Same thing, but no free throw line on the right sneaker. It's only on the left. But that is the Jordan 3 free throw. And that is that. Full-time grind 79. Oh, if I haven't said this, you know what I'm saying? Please like, subscribe, comment. We just hit 100 subscribers today. Woke up and it was 100. I'm trying to hit 1,000 and like. I like to hit 1,000 before March, the end of March, realistically. You know, I don't know if that's a realistic goal, but hey, I believe we can do it. You know what I'm saying? So, because, hey, man, I'm bringing you all some great content, I think. I'm bringing you all great sneakers. I got a lot of stuff coming. I got a package coming tomorrow. I got a package coming on Tuesday. I got a package coming on Thursday. So, damn, I mean, I'm bringing some real heat, man. You know what I'm saying? So, please like, subscribe, comment. Teamwork makes the dream work. I'm going to put these things on feet. Stay tuned for that. All right, here I'm back again with the on feet for the Jordan 3 free throws. Look how crispy these things are, man. And hold up, and check these legs out, man. Look at that leg. Can you see that leg right there? Forget the shoe. Check these legs out. Hold up. Hey, man, I've been working hard on these legs, man. Don't stop playing. Anyway, look at that leather, man. Look at that thing on feet, man. I was wear some pants, but you gotta be hiding these legs. I don't want to do that. So anyway, check that hang tag on the side of there. Yeah, knock it on the back of the booty right there. Or do the walkway. Hold up. Back up. All right. I don't want to get them too dirty. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, these going back on ice. Got the reds. That free throw line right there. Anyway, that's them boys right there, man. That's them Jordan 3 free throws. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Let your friends know about my channel. We're growing, and I appreciate it. I appreciate every one of you that has been subscribed. The people that come to my page and don't subscribe, what the hell's wrong with you? Subscribe, comment, like, dislike, whatever. Anyway, full-time grind 79, and I'm out.